So we are on to our next trail. Wow. So as we get in, we're just getting deeper and deeper into the forest or estate. I don't know, what do we call this place? Rubber plantation, I don't know, whatever. So it's just absolutely fantastic. Huh? Baravalli andu. That was a nice tricky bit. Because there's so much of wet mud there, the bike just drifts, but then otherwise it's okay. It's a nice good trail. So the main idea here is you need to know how to direction your body or opposite direction balancing while you're riding something like this. Especially when you're on the slush or anything, you just need to know how to balance your body to the opposite direction and still keep the control of your motorcycle and easily pass through. And another thing very important when you're in slushy bit or anything, do not brake too much. Let the wheel move on and get some traction. The minute you start braking, that is when you start getting some issues with the motorcycle. But then avoid any kind of braking. So avoid any kind of braking. That will help you to maneuver easily and keep going. You need to have some kind of traction. The minute you start braking, you will lose everything, and then the motorcycle just start drifting, and that's when you really get into trouble. Instead, you just go ahead, apply slight brake, not too much. Okay, I think that's an end. So now heading back, we are going towards Panja. Now there's one tricky place before we can head to Panja, which is the hill climb or the elevation on the top. So we've done all the bit very well. All of them have just been able to ride and have a good time. But then this one place is a little tricky. That's all I can say. Not a difficult bit. That's the stretch there where he's going now. Is a little tricky. The only thing is do not mess, not this one. I think there's another stretch. This is an easy one. Here all you have to do is just hold on to your acceleration and keep going. One stretch here is going to be nice and fun. Yeah. Huh? Yes, this is exactly the advantage of a lightweight motorcycle, and lightweight with good power. Yes. Yeah, this was definitely expected. So we had to take it in one stretch, in fact. Now this is going to be a little challenge for us. So Duke has got stuck in that slushy bit. Let's go for the rescue. You stay here, you stay here. Right, don't go back, don't go back. So Rai intends to take it on a full leap. That's the only way you can get it out. And finally we are here. You can see chili flakes. These are all the chili flakes that will come on the pizza. Looks like a little bit of oregano and chili flakes. Yes. Pizza on the road. Good. So that was a tough bit. Apart from that, all the other players were really easy. Yeah, all the bikes did it absolutely well, even including the Duke came out shining, and a lot of muddy shit here now, which he has to clean. We have a river passing, so don't worry. Yeah. Balair. He and his FC stories. Best part was how easy and comfortably this RX just came out of it. Yeah, it did have a little bit of fishtail, but then that's okay. But because of its lightweight and good power to weight ratio, it just came out clean without any issues. With the KTM, the issue was it's high revving, so you had to play around with the clutch and the acceleration to get out of that place, which we managed to get it out. And here we have the river crossing, and we'll just stop, get the wheels a little cleaned. I'll just stop here, clean the wheels. Yes, the wheels are cleaned. Time to go ahead. And wheels are dirty again. Yes. I think he's just looking for some leeches. Huh? So now off to Punjab. yes, we've done with our trail. And now time to go to Panja. Yes, good trail, a good experience. It was more than half a day of trail, and it's about lunchtime now, about 1:32 I believe. So we'll head towards Panja now, back to highway road. Why are we going to Panja? To meet our friends who have come for rally, which is tomorrow. So we'll meet them, wish them all the best for their races which are tomorrow, and try to come if possible for tomorrow's race. If not, just today we are there anyway to wish them all the best. So my friends from Race Dynamics have come, so they will be riding. Then Aishwarya is there, she's riding. And then I think people from cat racing also are there, they'll be also riding. So let's go wish all of them all the best. And if possible, not too sure, if possible I might come tomorrow as well for the rally. So it was lovely trail time. So guys, comment below and tell me if you guys want to join our rides, trail rides, and also if you know of any trail rides around, if you want us to join or go there, explore that place, comment below. I'll be more than happy to explore those places as well, or ride along with you guys and have a good time. So that's the whole idea. And I think here we are, which is the main road bit. Yes, good guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and now we'll go to Panja, and I'll see you guys once I reach Panja. I don't want to show you the highway road rides of now. We'll go to Panja and then come back. So now entering Gaurav Garden to meet our team and see who else is there. We'll catch up with most of them. So here we are at Gaurav Garden.
A few moments later.
So just met all the riders at Gaurav Garden. So met with Aishwarya, wished her all the best. Met Asad Khan as well, so wished him as well. And it's their ceremonial time now. It's time for us to leave. We don't have much of our work here, so we're leaving now. So good bunch of people, good racers, and it's going to be a good race. Hope it does not pour down. If that happens, then it's going to be a tough race tomorrow for these guys. Already it is full of slush. If it pours down, it's going to be a super duper tough race for all of these guys. So well, that's it. I will end my vlog here itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And until the next video, keep it rolling. Bye bye for now.